Hi guys, welcome to Basic Ballet Turns Vocabulary with demonstration for beginners. Today you will learn what I believe to be the top step that you may know when talking about turns in ballet. Said that, let's get to it. Our first step is Soutenu, it means sustain, and it's that step when you see the dancer turning over both legs in fifth position. You will recognize this step done in a lot of performance on the stage, but more commonly used by your teacher, for sure you will recognize now, to shift from one side of the exercise to another one, to not have any stop in between. Our next step we have Chaîné, which means chain or linked. Chaîné is a turn done over both legs in first position, open, relevé, and the legs stay together the whole time. In my opinion, the best way to learn Chaîné is by doing half of a turn, slowly, taking your time, and then gradually increasing speed and dynamic once you master half slowly. If you're new in my channel, don't forget to click this little bell so you get the notification next time when I upload my next video. As our next step, we have Pirouette, which means turns or spin. And yeah, I know, it's really famous in not only in ballet, but any style dance, am I right? Pirouette can be done on the horse, can be done on the down, it can be simple, it can be also double, triple, fourth, even 10 pirouette. It can be done from first position, fifth position, second position, actually from any basic ballet position. Moving on to our next step, we have Fouetté turns, which are really famous among females. Fouetté turn is when a dancer does a pirouette followed by a demi-plie with the leg extended by your side before closing back to a retiré and continue turning. And as our last step, we have turns à la seconde, which is a spin with your leg by your side extended. So basically you are expected to turn over your supporting leg with the other leg by your side extended and do a plie before doing the next turn.